Hello, beautiful babes. Welcome to the channel. Y'all know the deal. You know the drill. Subscribe if you're new, and if you're a regular, we're going to get right to it. You know what it's about today. It's all about cloves. Yes, and if you don't know what cloves are, they are high in antioxidants, which help you live a longer and healthier life. Cloves include antioxidants that assist the body in fighting free radical damage and strengthens the immune system. Cloves also have antiseptic, antiviral, and antimicrobial qualities that help to prevent infections like the common cold and even coughs. It is known that clove helps to reduce inflammation. You can use clove oil to massage sore muscles, and some also use it for arthritis and rheumatism. Not only that, you can try sipping cold clove tea, which can help relieve persistent arthritis pain. To relieve joint discomfort and swelling, make your clove tea and chill it for a few minutes before drinking. Drinking clove tea can help improve your digestion. Cloves help by relaxing the smooth lining of the GI tract, so they help alleviate vomiting, diarrhea, intestinal gas, and stomach aches. Just be careful, since cloves are tiny but they're strong. They can also irritate the stomach. This tea will assist you in improving your digestion, and it is a known fact that you will lose weight more quickly if you have a healthy digestive system. Clove tea also helps in increasing your metabolic rate, which aids in weight loss. And when it comes to that awful toothache, clove tea helps to soothe toothaches. One effective natural treatment is cloves or clove oil. Their anti-inflammatory and analgesic components will help reduce the swelling around the infected tooth and relieve the pain. Even if you suffer from gum pain, having clove tea is good for you. The anti-inflammatory properties of the clove will help to reduce the swelling of the gums and provide relief. Drinking clove tea helps you remove all bacteria from your mouth. And with clove being a natural antiseptic, they are very helpful in getting rid of bad breath. Cloves can kill bad bacteria that causes bad breath. Clove tea is also a good beverage to drink if you have chest congestion or sinus problems. Cloves contain eugenol, which aids in the removal of phlegm. Cloves will help relieve upper respiratory infections, and they are a natural painkiller and also attack germs, so they will be helpful in getting rid of sore throats. And because cloves are also used in Ayurvedic medicine as an expectorant, they will help ease coughs and help make it easier to cough up phlegm. According to a study, drinking clove tea also helps in reducing the stress levels. When you drink this tea, you start to feel happy as it fills your body with the feel-good hormones. And whether you have a headache due to tension, a migraine, or a cold, clove oil can help get rid of that very quickly. Clove tea also helps in clearing harmful toxins from your body, which can lead to different skin problems. Drinking clove tea helps you to heal from your wounds, skin problems, and fungal infections. It has also been stated that cloves have anti-cancer agents, and drinking this tea helps you fight against the disease. Let me just share this one final item, and I'll share with you how I prepare my clove tea. Cloves have vitamin E and vitamin K, which help in fighting bacterial infection. It helps in lowering down the temperature of your body. Now let's prepare this amazing tea. Now that you have all of the great details about it, it's really simple to prepare it, and you'll be glad you know this one. All right, beautiful babes, it is time. I know you're wondering, like, girl, what's taking you so long? Just going to go ahead and put my little duck teapot on, and once it get to quacking, like right about now, see, she's quacking. She's quacking, y'all. That's what that is. That's a quack. I know you don't understand my duck. That's just the way she quacks, okay? Anywho, the water's boiling. I'm going to get the little kitty cat cup out, and we're going to go ahead and serve this up. Now, what you're going to do is 1 to 4 whole cloves is what you'll need, plus 1 cup of water, which is about 8 ounces. Okay, we're going to add the water on the cloves. We're going to drop in about 1 to 4, which I did about 4. And we're going to go ahead and pour the hot water over the cloves. All right. And we're going to let it steep for just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yes, yes, yes. Now, if you're looking for the cloves that I have or the clove oil, they can be found on Amazon, or you can shop anywhere you choose, but I picked mine up off of Amazon, and I do have the links conveniently located in the iCards as well as in the description box. So I have the tea poured up on those 4 cloves, and what I'm going to do now, y'all, gotta sweeten the deal. Every time, sweeten the deal, baby. We're gonna add some honey. This is some raw organic honey, and we're gonna put this in this, about a teaspoon or so, just to sweeten the deal up a little bit, okay? And this is how I make my clove tea. Now, the best time to enjoy this tea is in the morning. So good morning. Hey, y'all. And make sure you don't drink more than a cup of this tea, as the excess of anything is not good for you, okay? So keep it at about 1 to 4 whole cloves. If you want to add a little sweetener in, we got some honey, and you can add whatever sweetener you want, but I want the honey. And enjoy your tea. If you are undergoing any kind of medical treatment, then make sure you consult your doctor before making clove tea a part of your diet. And beautiful babes, this is how we enjoy this, just cooling it off a little bit, and it's amazing. It's amazing. And you heard all of those amazing benefits, right? Yes. Drinking clove water every morning can boost your immune system and protect you against infections and cases of flu. Y'all know we need it more than ever now. Absolutely we do. Clove tea is an excellent source of healthy vitamins and minerals that can promote your health and immunity. It is also a great source of manganese, vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Beautiful babes, I am finito. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something new regarding cloves that you're going to implement into your routine. You know, it's worth a try because you need everything you possibly can to build your defense. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. I really appreciate it. Just give it up to yourselves. Y'all are amazing. As always, please drop a like on this video. If you don't have anything to say and you don't want to leave a comment, always drop me some hearts. I love that so much. It really inspires me. And beautiful babes, listen, tell everybody why you're looking so cute. Yes, please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.